Like, you just wanna. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Sherry the Baby TV. Thank you for tuning in to me. It's your girl Sherry. And as you saw from the title, as you saw from the thumbnail, we're talking about Shein nails. $2 nails. You don't get no better than that. So let me tell you, I wore a pair last weekend. Forever fattened. I put them on in the car. Let me tell you, I put these on in the car. I was like, okay, we was running late. I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna put my nails on in the car. And I used the little stickers that it came with. And when I say it was beautiful, it didn't pop off during my date and it stayed on after my date. So I love these nails. These nails are great. So I had to tell y'all about these nails. I even got two more. Uh-oh, these are falling out. I have this design here and I have this design here. These are more like see-through. So I'll probably try these another day because I'm not sure how these gonna look on my nails, but I'm gonna do the black ones today. I think these are so cute. And I want y'all to see how well they stay on. Even because I am usually not like the sticker girl. I like some nail glue. I feel like nail glue is just, it just holds better. But when I use those stickers, let me show y'all. When I use these stickers, you know, the regular little nail stickers and the nail file that they give us for only $2. So I'm gonna put it on as I like chit chat about this. Okay. My nails are not cute. They just like regular mama nails. So I had to put my press-on nails on. But before I put them on, you just file. See that? Find a sticker that match your size and press it on. That's it. That's it. And they're gonna stay on for me, they stayed on for like 3 hours. And that's all I really needed. Because they're not like the best quality. Dang, it's just folded on me. You know you hate when you get some tape and it just like folds on you? That's the worst. But for $2, you can definitely kind of tell by the material that it's like, it's pretty flimsy. It's nothing like extravagant about these nails. Okay, I take that back, because these nails are extravagant because the style is great. The style is just so like modern, you know? Modern. You hold it for like 10 seconds. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. One hand is done and it looking so good. Like, it probably don't look that good to y'all, but like these nails are so cute. Like, they're a little light. Not really. They're cute. These are so cute. It's a little lighter than I would have hoped. They're so cute. I'm gonna show y'all how I put them on. So I'm gonna tilt y'all a little so y'all can kind of see. They are done, and when I tell you, these are so cute. Like, it makes your hand just automatically do this. Like, you just wanna, I love these nails. It's like the nails you put on when you just wanna go on a quick date somewhere, or you wanna take pictures and feel like real nice. Press-on nails are just, that's elevated and has come so far from when I was a little girl. And having a design like this and having this for $2, you can't beat that. Like, you can't. First of all, they have so many different sizes. They have a huge one, like this nail here is huge. You probably can't tell on camera, but it's a really big nail. Like, this can probably fit my big toe. And then there's a really small one for the pinky, like this one here. Just super tiny, and they will fit all sizes. No matter if you get like wide fingernails, small fingernails, and like they come with so many. I made a mess, so it's 10 on my hands and it's probably like 15 on the floor. So it probably came with like 25 nails you can choose from. These are great. I love these. Let me get you another. Like I said, I kind of wish the base was a little darker, because I think this will look much better with like a lighter tone. But other than that, I'm not gonna complain because these are super, super duper cute. My favorite ones is the first one that I tried when I went on my date last week. These may be my least favorite only because they're like see-through, but I'm gonna put these on one day. Especially because also I had a sticker, so you probably see the sticker at the base. I don't know how cute that's gonna be. But I'm gonna play with these. I'm gonna take me some pictures. They feel secure. They feel pretty sturdy. Nails ain't popping off. Nails not popping off. So, like I said, you can get 3-4, if you're careful, 3-4 hours from these press-on nails. I love them. Like I said, they're a little flimsy. They feel a little cheap, just a little, but they don't look cheap. It's all about the look. I think I'm gonna be wearing some longer nails because these are just, it's giving me life. Life is giving me. But yeah, that is it for these $2 Shein nails. It's my like little mini review saying you should get these. Multiple sizes you can choose from. They look beautiful. They only $2. What more do you need to know? But all right, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in to Share the Berry TV. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see me in my next video.